Myfitnesspal versus Calai, which is the better calorie tracker. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you the differences between Myfitnesspal and Calai so you can decide which calorie tracker is best for you. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to know is that Myfitnesspal is an established platform with a large food database that helps you track calories, macronutrients, exercise, and water intake. Over here, you also get community support where users share tips and motivation. After that, it integrates with various fitness devices and apps, making it a comprehensive health tracker. Then there is Cal AI, which is an AI powered calorie tracker. Over here, you can simply take a photo of your meal and the app will analyze it to provide calorie and nutrient information. After that, it has a user friendly interface designed to make tracking faster and more intuitive. Then it also provides educational insights to help users make better nutritional choices. After that, when comparing both apps, MyFitnessPal is best for those looking for a detailed tracking experience with community support, while Carl AI is great for those who prefer a modern, AI-powered, and simplified approach to calorie tracking. So that's how MyFitnessPal and Cal AI compare as calorie trackers. Choose the one that fits your health goals the best. That's all for this video.